Hi. My name is Rohan. Welcome to ROI Pro. We begin by assessing home affordability. Here, we input a household income of $60,000. Watch what happens when we enter a home price of $450,000. The dashboard instantly flags this as aggressive with a vivid red warning due to the high debt-to-income ratio. Let's adjust for a more realistic scenario. By dropping the purchase price to $200,000, the gauge shifts to moderate. You have full control over the mortgage details, including the down payment percentage and interest rates. Real estate costs are more than just the mortgage. Under ongoing costs, you can input specific figures for property taxes, insurance, and even HOA fees to ensure your monthly payment estimate is accurate. Now, let's switch gears to investment. By toggling from live in it to rent it out, the dashboard transforms. We input a monthly rent of $1,600. The tool immediately calculates a negative cash flow. This deal isn't working yet. Let's increase the rent to $1,800. Now, we see positive cash flow and a healthy cap rate. On the right, the profit versus equity chart visualizes your long-term trajectory, allowing you to hover over specific years to see your projected equity growth. Scrolling down, the yearly projections table gives you the hard numbers year by year. But experienced investors know to expect the unexpected. Back in the settings, you can add a vacancy rate or management fee to stress test your investment and see how these expenses impact your operating income. Can't decide between two properties? Toggle the compare switch to on. Now you can view property A and property B side by side. The equity comparison graph clearly illustrates the performance difference over a 30-year term, helping you pick the winner. Need to share this data with a partner or analyze it further? Simply click Export to download a CSV file. As you can see, all your projected data is neatly organized and ready for Excel. Finally, if you run into unfamiliar terms, click the light bulb icon. The built-in financial guide explains complex metrics like NOI and cap rate, ensuring you understand exactly what the numbers mean. ROI Pro, smarter real estate analysis, simplified.